Ecstasy everybody, hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm La Diva Deluxe, Lulada for short, or Elaina Glam, that's here on Mondays and Wednesdays. But today, it's Friday. That means Fridays are a drag. And we're doing this look, hopefully recognizable, Cher or Chad Michaels doing Cher. It could be either. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this, I don't know what I'm doing this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all the new stuff I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, it's good for the algorithm. And let's get right into this fabulous tutorial, darlings. So hopefully it looks like Cher, sort of, or Chad Michaels doing Cher. I think I've been sitting in this look for so long, so I don't see it anymore. It's like when I started doing it, I'm thinking, oh, we have a very similar eye shape. We have a very similar lip shape. And now I'm looking at myself, I'm not sure. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with it. I like it. And I'm not too crazy about black hair in general, but Cher is mostly known for very black hair, so this wig is just right. So I decided to do this for the New Year's Eve, just because I wanted to do something special. I'm like, well, who have I not done yet? A big drag queen celebrity, and Chad Michaels came to mind, and of course I had to do Cher, Chad Michaels Cher. My cat is trying to get into the shot. Baby, baby, what do you want to do? You want to come here? You want to come say hello to the audience? Say hello. Say hello to Mama. Do you recognize Mama? Do you recognize Mama? Do you like this look? Oh, he's sleepy. Look, he's sleepy. So this is Chad Michaels and Shangela. Shangela, what do you think about Chad Michaels? What do you think about Cher? Do you like Cher or not? We don't care. My baby. Oh, she's sleepy. Look at the sleepy face. Sorry, I'm going to my baby voice. Alright, go. Go check out my desk. As usual, Shangela has to say hello at the end because he always wakes up when they finish filming. It's like 7:20 and that's his usual time to wake up. I'm trying to stay away from his tail because his tail picks up lip gloss and it's all over. Yes, yes. Baby. I got a new microphone and he's sniffing out the furry cover for the microphone lens, for the microphone filter. Baby. Such a naughty boy. Naughty, naughty boy. Come on. Come on, beat it. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm probably gonna go into my usual La Diva Deluxe, very blown out, very colorful look for the New Year's Eve. We're going to Hamburger Mary's. I was gonna go to Rocco's, but Rocco's didn't have any announcement, so I'm not even sure if they're doing anything for New Year's Eve. So we're going to Hamburger Mary's. We made a reservation, so at least we're gonna have fun for New Year's. So I keep looking in the mirror because I'm like, oh, I'm feeling it. Oh, I'm feeling it. I'm Cher. I'm Cher. I don't know, everybody always does it. I've never seen actual Cher doing this kind of movement. I have no idea where it came from. Please educate me. Somebody's gonna say something in the comments. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing this as a quick tutorial. I'm not gonna show you every single step, but most of them is gonna be sped up probably. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you look like Cher? Do you look more like Chad Michaels doing Cher? Or do you look just like myself? So let's get into the tutorial so we can all get out of here. So I did my basic foundation and concealed my eyebrow tattoo leftovers. And I used my usual foera. I just panned this one, which I'm very proud of. It's 104 Buff Beige. I mixed it with 105. I freshly self-tanned. So I'm going to highlight conceal with Kimchi Chic Concealer the most in medium beige and mixed with a little bit of white one. So I'm just gonna do the basic highlight And then I'm gonna start carving out shape. I was just thinking I better bring this because me and Cher, we're both half Armenian. She's half Armenian, half American. And now my dad was half Armenian and half Russian, and my mom was Russian, so that makes me like partial Armenian. But still, you know, I gotta bring it to my people. So now we're trying to contour the cheekbones. It's kind of like Mariah Carey-ish look because she does have kind of a rounded cheekbone, but hers is much lower than Mariah. Mariah is like high and like very full. Hers is like lower, longer. So I'm gonna use my True Stick foundation stick in the color West Indies Walnut. I still like this foundation stick. If I run out, they better not run out. So I'm gonna go all the way down. Now round it up. Now I'm using the same foundation stick. I'm gonna start painting my eyebrow and my nose contour. Her nose is not the thinnest and kind of long-ish. So I'm gonna start to paint the nostril. Kind of look a little bit wider than mine. And a little higher here. We're going to define all these lines with the powders, of course. Her crease is very similar to mine. I have a very deep eye set, like deep set eyes, I was gonna say. So that we have in common. It shouldn't be very difficult. Eyebrows, that's what we have different. Well, I have almost no eyebrows, so it's gonna be very different from anyone. Alright, so I'm gonna start shaping this and then I'm gonna do hair strokes with the pen later. So it kind of curls down quite a bit. Set this with my powder. I'm using my usual Airspun. Okay, all set. I'm going to powder contour. I'm going to use a Kimchi Chic 03 chocolate tail contour, and I have to go easy on it because I don't want to make it too harsh. Because we do an kind of a celebrity look-alike look more than, I mean, it is Chad Michaels Cher, right? If you're doing Cher, you're doing Chad Michaels. If you're doing Chad Michaels, you're doing Cher. That's pretty much it. It's a given. So I'm trying to paint a Cher nose on myself. Her nose is bigger, longer. I mean, I'm not shading, I'm just saying as is. And this is a typical Armenian nose. I think my grandma looked like Cher more than I do. If I find my old grandma pictures, I'm gonna insert them here. Most likely I won't. I think my mom has it somewhere. So I'm gonna draw this dark line here to pretend like my nose extends longer, right? And then I'm going to darken my nostrils a little here. Also, she has like a line. Her lip is almost like looking like it's very puffy under the lip. I kind of have that too. I never liked that feature, but hers is more prominent. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna draw a darker line here. So now we're gonna create this look. It's very deep set, pretty much very similar to my eye shape the way it is already. So I'm going to start with a small pencil brush, Spectrum A12. I'm gonna go to the palette I haven't touched in a while, my usual go-to for drag, Beauty Bay Bright Mattes, and we're gonna go in all the neutrals, grays, browns, maybe a little bit pinkish to blend out. I've seen Cher with a lot of pink, looks like on the eyelid, but I want this to be a little more neutral. As you can see, I'm already wearing my silver outfit, silver backgrounds, too much silver in here, but oh well. I'm thinking about changing the background. I like it, but I think it's like it reflects weirdly the lights, and I can't make it even. I might have to go to a solid color. I used to have a pink background, but pink doesn't match everything. So I'm gonna go with gray. We're just gonna map out a deep cut crease. I looked at a lot of pictures online. It looks like she's got a lot of shimmer on the lid. Like a lot of pictures has a glitter or shimmer, and some of the more neutral tone pictures from like the more current pictures. She doesn't use a lot of shimmer, but in concert I see a lot. So I'm gonna use the Kimchi Shake Juicy Velvet Juicy 9. I'm gonna go for this one. Already kind of like very easily cut grease, because it's not about sharp cut grease, it's just about the general shape. It's time to emphasize the eyebrow, and for the eyebrow I'm going to use Ash Brown NYX Lift and Snatch pen, and this is one of those things, if you get it wrong, it's all over. So I'm just going by the Cher's picture, one of the most recent pictures I think, because she looks a little older here. So I'm like zooming in on her eyebrow. I'm trying to imitate the eyebrow. So I'm basically going more by Cher rather than Chad Michaels doing Cher. Because, well, it's the same thing, but you know. Ah! Already made a mistake. I'll be back. So we are in progress. I did make a boo-boo. Because I started and I put the dot like below. This eyebrow start higher than my natural eyebrow. Because her eyebrows kind of a little bit like pointing up and pointing down a lot. This is funny, I'm drawing exactly what I didn't like about my natural eyebrows in the first place. So I threw on some eyeliner, just a basic line, and a little bit of mascara, because I'm gonna apply individual eyelashes to the bottom to emphasize the bottom lash, because she's got a lot of bottom lash and she probably does have individual fake lashes on the bottom. So we're gonna do this later. And now I'm gonna bronze with Kimchi. I went to Miami just to add a little bit warmth to the face. I'm gonna do some peachy blush. Looks like she's got a lot of pinkish peachy blushes, judging by the pictures. So I'm going to use Colourpop blush, and this is Colourpop Saving the World, Powerpuff Girls. I don't remember how I bought it or how I got it. Maybe it came in the mystery box. I think I bought it because I thought it was orange, but it's actually very peachy. So I threw on some eyelashes, just my regular daytime lashes, because we're doing more of a celebrity impersonation than a drag look, which for Chad Michaels is everyday drag look. Anyway, but the bottom lashes, all my bottom lashes too big, so I just drew them on with the eyeliner, just a regular eyeliner pen. The lips. Her lips kind of similar to my shape, I think. They're not too large. And the bottom lip kind of like has like a white, like a light line under it. Like a kind of a puffiness. So I created this with contour and highlight. Now it's just gonna line this. This is Kimchi Beauty. Kimchi Chic Beauty Frosé eyeliner 05. She wears a lot of kind of a neutral pink lip. So for the lip color, I'm choosing this lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. Long-lasting, non-transfer, eat and drink without fear. I love when it says it. Anyway, this is not a Kimchi Chic Beauty commercial. For the discount code, use Elaina Glam for extra 15% off on kimchichicbeauty.com. Anyway, so that's the color Slay. I'll probably put lip gloss on top of it. Okay, I think I see it a little bit. It kind of looks like a Mariah Carey contour as well, but I think it's more Cher than Mariah Carey now. So let me put the wig on and the final touches, and hopefully we can turn back the time now. I'll be right back. So she's here. I don't know what you're supposed to do when you do the Cher, but yeah. I mean, that's the best Cher could do. I kind of like Mariah Carey look better. Like on me, it was more extreme, I think. But this is not bad. I know some of you all are not into black hair when I wear it, but this is a Cher look. Although Cher is known for wearing blonde wigs too, but yeah. I'm looking in the mirror and looking at my iPad. There's a close-up picture of her like now, this age. So I'm trying to make a facial expression. So what do you guys think? Cher or no Cher? I mean, it's as best Cher as you can get. Or Cher Chad Michaels. As best as Chad Michaels you can get. I don't think I look like either of them, to be honest. But I think it's pretty close. I think I look more like Cher than Chad Michaels doing Cher. But, oh well. We tried. So, this is my Happy New Year look for y'all. Cher celebrating New Year. Let me know in the comments what you think. And like this video if you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. It's just a quick transformation as my Fridays are drags have become lately. Let me know if you want to see more celebrity transformations rather than drag queens. I mean, I love my drag queens, but this is kind of a drag queen and a celebrity in one because, you know, duh, Chad Michaels. So, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, all the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you so much guys for your support, sticking with me on my channel. If you guys are interested, everything is down below, link there. So I just want to say final words. Happy New Year everybody. Today is New Year's Eve. I'm filming this 2 days before New Year's on Wednesday. So I'm planning to go to a drag show. I was thinking to go into Mariah Carey look and go as Mariah for drag show, but I think I'm just gonna beat myself to guts and like the most extravagant drag look. La Diva Deluxe look. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Happy New Year. Bye.